Searching for an outdoor umbrella that will nearly bend over backwards to cast shade? Well, keep watching to learn more about the Shadowspec SU4 tilting cantilever umbrella. Hi, I'm Annabella from Smartworld, and I'm going to run you through the main features you'll find on the SU4 tilting cantilever umbrella. Watching this video should help you work out if this particular model could be the right one for you. This umbrella is adaptable, strong, and super functional. If you're looking for a shade maker that's durable, elegant, and effortlessly adapts to your outdoor setting, whether it's personal use or say at a hospitality venue, then this umbrella could be a really good option. But if you're looking for one that's smaller or one that's larger, then perhaps another model in this range could be better suited for you. Okay, let's start off and look at some of the SU4's main features. Starting off with the tilt. So the SU4 is designed so that it can tilt to be almost vertical. As you know, the sun doesn't stay in one place all day, but with this feature, the sun will be able to work around you and your shade needs. Working hand in hand with the umbrella's tilting feature is the umbrella's ability to rotate 360 degrees. So when it comes to maximum adaptability, this umbrella has got this covered. This umbrella is functional and durable because it has a marine grade aluminium frame and a canopy that's 100% solution dyed, meaning that the colour is designed to stay. And if you're after a shade that will protect you from UV rays, this one has a canopy that has a rating of UPF 50+. With the Shadowspec SU4, you can also choose from 3 canopy colours, 2 canopy shapes and sizes, a range of mounting options, and the umbrella also comes with a protective cover. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you've been able to learn more about the Shadowspec SU4 tilting cantilever umbrella and if this particular model could be right for you. For more information, you can head to our website where you'll find more details about the Shadowspec SU4 as well as the other Shadowspec models that we sell.